We are looking at how to replace cartridge, or rather toner, for this heavy duty printer. That's the LaserJet, HP LaserJet Enterprise M611. And without wasting any of our time, let's see how we can replace this cartridge. And right away, there is you see on top here, there is a button that you are to press in case you want to replace. Just press it just like this, and on pressing it, it will flip open this area where you are supposed to pull out the cartridge tray, which is labeled here. This is the cartridge tray that you're supposed to pull out gently, and on pulling it out, this is where you get your used cartridge, which is this one here, and you need to replace it with a new cartridge. And for this case of ours, this is our new cartridge. This is our new cartridge, and it's a 147A cartridge, and it's a black. So you open it up, and once you're done opening, you can always get something like this, which you insert in gently, slide it into the tray, the cartridge tray, just gently like this, and then push back the tray and close that area, or rather that section. So that's how you can that's how you can replace the cartridge or toner for this printer.